You are going to love the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, power third passenger door, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release, fourth passenger door. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.